So, what's better than a couple of Hyundai Excels in your backyard? 3 Hyundai Excels in your backyard. So the story with this one, it was actually sitting outside the local volunteer fire brigade, and I've rescued it. It was a rescue mission. They were actually going to be using it to practice cutting cars open with the jaws of life. They've, I'll show you on here. They've already actually had a bit of a crack at it already. They were going to completely wreck this thing, but it's got good bonnet, good bumper, excellent headlights. Take you around the back of this thing. Oh, the mirrors are intact, the door's straight, the glass is good, the windscreen's good, this window's good. They're shit house, totally shit house. Rear bumper, both rear lights, rear wing. So it's full of awesome parts. Unfortunately, it's got the single cam motor in it, manual gearbox. So somebody, possibly one of the speedway guys, might like the motor and gearbox. You're welcome to it. Yeah, so I couldn't just let this thing. I couldn't let it get destroyed the unfun way. We had to go and take it racing. Well, at least put the parts on it in a race car and, you know, destroy it that way. So I now have 3 of the things in the backyard. I don't think my wife's too keen on 3 Hyundai Excels in the backyard, so I better get rid of one of them pretty soon.
This is the car that we're trading at the fire station for that Excel car racer for my dad. Scrap pieces, already 1 door cut, and this might be a disaster. Let's see.
So that's the last one?
Yeah, that should be. This might be a disaster. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. My dad there. Cutting on the winch. And me recording. Winch is gone and car is rolling. Yes, sir. Nice. Now, the Excel. Here, let me try.
I like this colour interior. I might have to switch it out the other one.
What? No. Where's the key?
On top of the steering wheel.
Where's the key?
How's the dash? Oh, it's a halfway decent dashboard.
Now, on the Excel onto trailer.
So we go trailer.
Time for the Excel! Woo! Time to get the Excel on there. So far we haven't died. Nice. Come on. Hey Dad, you want me to push? Pushing with one hand, using the other hand to record.